time to wake up. Oh, it's time to wake up, Skipper Key. Skipper. Are you done? He's such a good boy. Little Bonji. What was the howling? Where'd the howling go? Oh! 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 Oh, that little beanbag. Do you like your beanbag? You got that a year ago. One of the neighbor's kids was throwing out the beanbag. He said, I want that beanbag. Oh! 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 Turn that clock off. I'm going back to bed. Oh! I'm so tired. Bob, you get up way too early. This is crazy. Turn the light off.
Quote, that's the world we live in. Don Gagné, NPR News, Washington.
Okay, go back to bed, Boo-Boo Bear. Ow! Ow!
Rescue effort in the flooded parts of Colorado is scaling down. NPR's Nate Rott has an update for us in 15 minutes on Morning.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Boo-Boo. Have a good day. I'm going to go for a walk without you.